Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about USDJPY. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders analysis to see what institutions in the market are doing and how they're moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is rejecting to the downside a quite strong, important monthly supply and resistance zone. In fact, from here, all this previous rejection to the downside was created. Again, the market just now tested that zone and rejected it to the downside. Now, in a situation like this, especially if you are seeing strong institutional selling, as we saw during this push to the downside, what you would expect is more bearish price action, since the nearest level of support in this case is this level here, which is the previous level of monthly resistance from which this push to the downside was created, which is now turned support. And we will speak about institutional selling in just a few moments when we move to the commitment of traders analysis. But for now, let's keep all of this in mind and let's drop down on the weekly time frame. Now, from a weekly perspective, the situation does look quite interesting. What we can notice here is a perfect inversion of structure the market went from the creation of weekly higher highs and higher lows, so clearly a bullish market, to then the creation of weekly lower lows and lower highs. So right now, a weekly bearish market. So what we had essentially is an inversion of trend from a market structure perspective, from a bullish to a bearish market. Dropping down on the daily time frame, what do we see? Now here on the daily, things do look quite interesting. What we can notice is that, first of all, the market created this massive push to the downside. From here, I made a full breakdown explaining all the reasons for which I was expecting this rejection to the upside, and in fact, that is exactly what the market did. Then again, from here, I made another analysis explaining all the reasons for which from here, I was expecting a rejection lower, and again, that is exactly what the market did. And by the way, I will link in description both these previous analysis so you can go and check them out for more free education. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. Well, before we dig deeper into what we have from a technical perspective, first, let's go and see what we have when it comes to the commitment of traders. So what the big players in the market are doing. Now, if we're looking at the data for the JPY, what we have to keep in mind is that we are already looking at JPY USD, because all currencies on the spot are traded against the USD. But we want information on USDJPY. And that simply means that we have to reverse everything. In other words, if institutions are longing the JPY and the JPY on the spot is traded against the USD, by longing the JPY, institutions are actually shorting USDJPY. And in fact, that is exactly what they're doing. In fact, net positions have been increased. We went from minus 45K up to minus 19K net positions, which actually means that institutions have been longing the JPY, adding 9.9K longs with the last report and closing 4.7K shorts. And by longing the JPY, institutions are shorting USDJPY. So let's keep that in mind and move back to the chart. So it comes as no surprise, since institutions are shorting USDJPY by longing the JPY, that the market has in fact created a rejection lower, because institutions are shorting it. So in a situation like this, what would I expect? And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you find linked in description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in a situation like this, the situation is quite clear. We have a market which is currently above support. From here, the market created a rejection higher. Right now, the market is testing the same zone and currently rejecting it to the upside until the market will remain above this zone, more daily higher highs and higher lows could be expected. So what would be interesting? Well, an interesting move would be a break below the support, because if we do see a break below the support, all this previous support becomes resistance here. So if we get a break and retest of this previous support and resistance, we have very good probabilities of seeing more institutional selling at this zone, which at that point could further increase the probabilities of a potential rejection lower below the area. So if we do see the break and retest, what would I expect and how institutions could approach this? Well, we are already seeing that with the last report, we have seen more longs added and shorts closed. So as usual, trading is reactive and not predictive, as my students know very well. The monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, if the market inside of this zone would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market fueled by more institutional shorting, I wouldn't be surprised to see a rejection lower below that zone. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis and education that you see me share here on YouTube is actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you really want to go into the details and really learn more, I definitely suggest that you go and check out my website, which you find linked in description. Here, you have the possibility to learn everything from the very basics of charting to the most advanced topics that you definitely cannot afford to miss. You find all my courses, over 12 gigabytes of courses, and you also have the possibility to gain access to the Trading Show software with the Telegram notification integrations, one-on-one private mentoring, the COT data software. So really a complete learning ecosystem. And on top of that, you also have the possibility to integrate and gain access to my entertaining trading show, in which you essentially get every single day all my trades as they're happening live on my account. So all the trades that I'm entering, exiting, how I'm managing them, all streamed live directly inside of the trading show. You also have the possibility to check out all my strategies. So all the strategies already automated. Here you will see videos of historical backtests on more than 10 years of data of every single strategy I have and strategies that I run on my own account, which is also the ones that basically you see on my MyFX book, the explanation of the strategies, the historical backtest of the strategy, and how I'm actually trading on my live account. And if you continue to scroll down, you will see that you have the possibility here after the testimonials to join and gain automatically access with the email and password that you will create during the sign-up process. So I really suggest that at least you go and check it out. The link is in the description, and I will see you in it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.